How to add a link to your TikTok bio. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up TikTok on your mobile phone or maybe on your laptop. And what you guys have to do is you will simply go to your profile. So I will open up my profile right here. Alright, so it will show you your profile on your mobile phone as well. And we have all of these different options. We have edit profile and then we have a bio right here. You can see I have not added any bio yet. In order to add the bio, I will click on edit profile. And here you will be able to see the username and then we have name and bio. In order to add a link to your bio, what you can do is you can just copy the link of your YouTube channel or maybe any other social media and paste it right here in the bio. That will actually work for you guys. Or what we can do is we can actually add our Instagram or YouTube directly as well. So you can go to the settings right here and you can go to the social section and it will allow you to add your social media such as your Instagram and your Facebook. So what happens is if you have a business account, now that is another thing that we get with the business account, we actually get the option to add a link right here for the website too. So if you have a business account, then you will get the option right here in edit profile. But if you do not have a business account, then you will just have to simply copy and paste and add the link right here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to Software Made Easy.